Hello sugar lovers, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be decorating this two-tone or ombre cake as it's popularly called by bakers. So here I separated my buttercream into two parts. One part blue, which I'm coloring, and then the other part I'm just going to keep it plain because it's a two-tone cake just like you can see. So I just went over with some more food coloring. I used Acabado Royal Blue for this, and you can see it in any cake shop. So here I went over with my spatula just to apply the buttercream to the cake. If you want to see a detailed video on how to decorate a cake using your spatula or simple tools in your kitchen, then I'll put a link to my tutorial video in the description box for you. So here I just went over with my blue food buttercream at the bottom part. So if you want to have a smooth buttercream cake or even a fondant cake, the crumb coating is very important. And if you want to learn how to crumb coat just the way I did here, the video is also on my channel. I'll drop the link also in the description box for you to check it out. So crumb coating is very vital whenever you're going to decorate a cake. If you don't crumb coat your cake well, you're going to have crumbs of your cake hanging out, and we do not want that on our cake. So I just went over with my spatula to smoothen it out before I head in with my scraper. So guys, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Claire. I am a baker, I am a cook, and this is my diary. So please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it so it can get to more people. Drop a comment if you have any questions. Please go ahead, drop it there. Any baking or cooking related question, I am here to answer. So I just went over with my spatula once again to clean up the top part of my cake just to smoothen it and give it a cleaner look. So this cake was actually made for a 1-year-old birthday. So it's actually a cartoon themed cake. I've already printed out all my cartoon characters and I've cut them out. You can do that any art shop that is around you. And yeah, here I am cleaning out the bottom part of the board, and just like I always love to do, I always love to do this swirl thing at the top of my cakes. I don't know why. Yeah. So yeah, I just went over with the decorative items for the cake. If you want to know how to do a detailed video on how to do a birthday cake, I have a video also on my channel. Please, you can check it out. Put the link also in the description box for you. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye. Enjoy.